Yeah, hi. So let me just explain you the working features of PTT Pro. So Push to Talk Pro is going to complement your ERP application running on the device. So it can run on both the Zebra devices as well as any of the commercial Android devices as well. Okay. So the advantage of Zebra devices, we have a dedicated Push to Talk Pro button on the device. So this can be used for PTT Pro as well as the PTT Express that comes along with the device. So PTT Pro obviously is a licensed version. Okay, so this button can be used while talking by pressing this button, or on screen button can also be pressed. Okay, so this push to talk Pro button will be on the left hand side of the device. One button will is there for the scan, and then the another button is for the PTT. So the button will be always having a vertical line on it. Okay, the line that is there, so that button is for PTT, the other one is for scanning. Okay, so let me just open the screen of the device to show you the working features of the PTT Pro app. So here I have one device, a TC56. So let me just open the PTT Pro app on the device. So the first time you open up, it will ask for the license key to activate. So let me just click activate. So once you purchase license, that key will be provided to you. So once the screen pops up, it will display all the users available in that group. So this group is created by the admin. So what all users you want, you have to share the list of usernames the way you want to be displayed. So those users are listed here. So a lot of users are listed on this group. And if you can see the green colored icon means these are the users currently online. And the right hand side you can see the locationing is also enabled on those devices, so we can easily see where their device is currently located. So here I have two extra devices for showing demonstration. So one is a TC20 and another one is a commercial device and phone. Okay. So these two devices are on a WLAN network, and this is on a GSM network, cellular. So it's on a 4G. So the communication can happen from a WLAN to a cellular, or from a cellular to a WLAN device, right? So now let me just call this device. This is on a cellular, right? So let me just call this person. Let us initiate a call. So once I click the mic button, the call is getting established between these two devices. Okay, so now it's like the old walkie-talkie system, where once you press the button only, the voice communication is passed on. Okay, so now I just press this button, or you can press the physical hardware button on the device. Either button you can press. I press this and then I can talk, so that the voice get broadcasted to the other person. So now, because both these devices are together, we are hearing an echo. So let me just disable the speakerphone on the other device and now press. So I can, whatever I talk here, you can see dot Kumar 3 is talking. So this is how the voice communication is done from one end to the other. Now for this guy to respond back, he has to again press this. So let me just disable the speakerphone on the other device also. So when I press this, so whatever I'm communicating from this device, you can see Manoj Kumar is speaking on the right hand side. Now that is how so for this is an half duplex communication. This is not a full duplex communication. So for the other person to communicate back, again he has to leave the floor open, so that the other person can press the push to talk button and then he can communicate. So this is how the voice communication is done between one to one. So let me just end the call here. So if at all you want to have a group call, so let us say these two guys are to be part of the call. So let's just select all these two guys and then you press the talk. So this is two. Okay, so now you can, now once I initiate the call, you can see these two devices are now engaged on a call. So now you see these two devices are part of the call. The same way again, this person has to press. Let me just disable the phone so you don't hear the echo. So now I just press this button and I just keep on talking. The other guys can hear that. So now all three are part of the conference call, right? So this is how a group calling can be done. So many users can be selected the way you want, and then you can initiate the call. So all you have to do is select the number of people you want for the call and then initiate the call, right? Now if you don't want to do this way, or you can create groups. So I can create multiple groups and then I can do that, just click that group and then initiate a call. So I'll just show you how to create a group. So now let's say I want these two guys to be part of the group. So these two guys to be part of a group. Okay. So now just long press the screen and I get the create group, add to group, remove contact. So I just create a group. So now you have two options, personal group or member group. Personal group means the group will be only shown on this device. It will not appear on the other devices. But if you select the member group, the group that you create here will be shown on the other devices also. Okay. So who all are part of that group, the group will be displayed on those devices. So let me just create a group. So before that I will show you here. So you can see there is no group on this devices. There are no groups. So let me just create a group called floor. So I just say floor team and just create a group. So between Manoj Kumar and 2. Okay. So let the synchronization happen. It will just take a few seconds to synchronize between the devices. Now let me show you the locationing part also. So if at all you want to see where this guy is located, Manoj.Kumar 2, where is he located, you can see the person's location on the device as well. Okay, so that is also possible, and you can also do a zoom in and see where the guy is located or where the particular device is located. So this is how you can see the mapping locationing of the device as well. So the same can happen on the other devices also. Let me just show here. So if at all you want to see this person where he is located, just click that icon and you can see where he is presently located. So this is how you can see the locationing part as well. Okay. And for messaging, so now you can see the group getting created. Flow team that we created on this device is replicated on all the devices also. Now for calling this group, all you have to do is who are all member are part of that group, the call will get pushed out. Okay, so this is how a group calling can be done. The same way messaging, all you have to do is click the message icon here. So if let's end the call. So I want to send a message to everyone in the group. So let us say the same can be done for individual also. So just select the group. I just say message. So that's the message icon. So let's say meeting cancelled. Okay, so I just want to broadcast this message to everyone, and also you can attach some image, or you want to report some incident, that also can be done. So you can either share the image already there on the device, or if you want to capture a photo live and then send it across to the member group or to an individual, that also can be done. So I just click the photo and press the tick button here. So the message is attached. So that photo is attached. Now I just click send. So send message is successful and the message is broadcasted to the devices. Now if you want to see the view, so this is the message that has come from 3. So the same message is populated on this device also. Okay, so this is how you can send the messages to individual or to group. Okay, now let us see how the desktop client works. So let us just minimize this. So this is the desktop client for Windows based PC to communicate to the Android devices. So that is also possible. So this is the client. The same way you can see the number of devices being the number of person currently active. Just press the guy whom you want to talk and then just say push to talk. The call gets established. So let us just end the call. All you have to do is just have a headset, or if you have a speaker and a microphone from the PC, you can do that. The same locationing can also be seen here. So show all on map is now activated. So now you can see who are all there in the group, where all they are present is all displayed here. So just see two people are there in Japan and one is in Australia, and the rest of the guys whom you have just seen are there all in India. Okay, so now if you want to see a particular person, just say, let's say this person, just say show on map and then zoom it, so you will see that person where he is located. So currently is there in Chennai. Okay, so this device is currently in Chennai. So this is how the PTT Pro interface, the user interface looks like. It's all completely customizable. So if at all you want to customize the way it looks and feel, you want to change the way you want the items to be displayed, all can be customized from the admin login. Okay, so the admin login, one person for an organization will be given an admin login. All can be customized. And if at all you want to modify some part of the settings here, all you have to go to the settings and you can modify the way you want it, the notification you want to change, the way you want to handle the call once the call comes in. You want to keep it in a silent mode, you want to put it on a do not disturb mode, how you want to initiate a call, all can be customized from the settings tab on the app. Okay, so hope this has been useful for you to use the app. Thank you.